Welcome to Citadel Watch. We present to your attention wristwatches that you can buy us. Introducing. Today, we're taking a look at an interesting model from the Swiss watchmaker Rado, the Rado 115.0235.3. We have a classic men's watch with a round 40mm case. This is a very versatile size. The watch doesn't look too large on the wrist while still having a distinctive and modern presence. One of the first things that stands out is the case. It is made from dark blue ceramic, a material that has become one of Rado's signature features over the years. Ceramic not only gives the watch a unique appearance, but is also well suited for everyday wear thanks to its excellent scratch resistance and comfortable feel on the wrist. The watch comes on a dark blue fabric strap with leather elements. This combination works very well with the overall design and gives the watch a more casual and contemporary character compared to a traditional ceramic bracelet. The dial is protected by sapphire crystal, which is a major advantage for everyday use. Sapphire is highly resistant to scratches, helping to keep the crystal looking clear and clean for years to come. Now, let's take a closer look at the dial. We have a black dial with silver-toned hour markers and hands. The contrast between the black background and the silver elements makes the time easy to read at a glance. The hands are also coated with a luminous material, allowing you to read the time in low light conditions and even in the dark. Inside the watch is a quartz movement. This is a practical choice for anyone who values accuracy and convenience without having to worry about winding the watch or maintaining a power reserve. A quartz movement provides reliable timekeeping and makes the watch extremely easy to wear on a daily basis. As for water resistance, Rado rates this model at 5 bar or 50 meters. This means the watch is protected against normal contact with water, such as splashes or rain. However, I would not recommend using it for swimming or diving. Overall, the Rado 115.0235.3 is an interesting combination of classic design and modern materials. The 40mm round case, dark blue ceramic, black dial, sapphire crystal, and fabric and leather strap create a watch that can easily be worn with both casual and more formal outfits. And of course, this is a Swiss watch from Rado, so you get not only a distinctive and recognizable design, but also the practicality and quality you would expect from this brand. If you're looking for a watch that stands out from the usual stainless steel models while remaining versatile enough for everyday wear, the Rado 115.0235.3 is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new videos. Have a great day and happy shopping. Best wishes, Citadel Watch.